Yeah, when I came to SK Mesilau, it's already 3 o'clock, and they only managed to, ya, kamu tengok dia orang baru cat 11 saja. Terus saya pun panggil si Frankie, mari kita berjalan-jalan. So kami dengan Frankie berdua berjalan, yang lain masih lagi terpaku, terkaku, tercegat melihat dinding yang belum disiapkan. Jam dah pukul 3:30 petang. Saya pun berpusing-pusing dengan Frankie. Dua kali kami tawaf lah. Sambil kami berpusing-pusing tu, actually Frankie and I is handling crisis. I talk to Frankie, are we going to cause damage, or are we going to cause a success of CSR project? Look at the building, saya beritahu si Frankie. Dari jauh ni, dari jarak 50 meter. Apa yang kamu nampak? Daripada cantik menjadi sedemikian rupa. So we are going to end up with a crisis. Nanti UMS akan dapat bad image. 3:30 petang. Pusing lagi kami. Pusing, 2-3 kali pusing. Akhirnya kami dapat solution. Then I ask Frankie to meet Saddam and the rest. How are we going to conclude this CSR project with the building being inilah kena catkan semua. So this is the solution lah. And finally we managed to say to the guru besar, and guru besar said, don't worry, we will finish it up the rest of the surface, because we only managed to cat yang depan ni dan juga sebelah tu dengan undercoat lah. So how actually we deal with the crisis? Number one, I told Frankie, you are the leaders. You get your men, you discuss. How are you going to complete the project? So they come into agreement just to finish, as advised by me lah, one surface only, because here is the entrance. When people enter, people immediately look at this surface. So we need to, to finish this surface with the new color. And then in order to finish that project, I need to be, to inbound. Saya tak boleh lah goyang kaki, duduk dalam kereta, menyorok dan sebagainya. Because actually when Frankie nervous, I am nervous. Because I am the in charge for the project overall as the lecturer, as the representative of UMS. So dalam keadaan saya sakit pinggang itu, saya pun mengecat lah. You know how serious my back pain kan? So saya pun mengecat sebab for me, I want to solve these issues with my student lah, with Frankie's group. And finally we managed to complete dan semua pun seronok. Si Az pun, dia selfie pun senyum-senyum sikit, tapi dia belum bagi saya video lagi. So si Khairul untuk makluman, during our meeting with the PIBG and the MEBOK chairman, ya, Khairul sendiri ditugaskan, he willing to finish up the touch up. So masa tu diberitakan, Khairul terjatuh dan terseliu. Jadi malam tu dia tidur awal sikit, tapi dia bangunlah. The rest of the night jangan beritahu yang lain kan, make it surprise. So what we did during this time is we practicing crisis communication. So when crisis occurs, we need to perceive, or we need to foresee how we are going to handle the crisis until we solve the crisis. This is the roadmap, I call it the roadmap lah, on how actually we manage the crisis. I consider it as learning objective as well. First, we need to define the crisis. What kind of crisis that we have? We must know the crisis. And then, how actually we manage the crisis. After we know the nature of crisis management, we should be able to plan what is the step to be taken. And then construct messages here referring to how we communicate with the rest of the team members on how we're going to implement the process. And toward completing that crisis, we need to be able to handle the crisis successfully. So basically, this is the learning objective as well. What is crisis? Crisis is a major catastrophe that may occur either naturally or as a result of human error, intervention, malicious intent, as well as disease and disaster. Based on this definition, we know that we never expect crisis to happen. It is something that shocks us. It is something that happens without notice. Yeah, it could be the act of gods. It could be human error. It could be natural. It could be error, but that error we do not actually perceive to happen. So this is the crisis. Knowing this, I learned things from that event that nobody want to think disaster to happen. It is either the act of God, meaning to say it is God willing, it is takdir. So you cannot blame anybody because of that. Yeah, there is crisis. What you can do is to give the best solution. Yeah, is to give the best solution. In Frankie and Tim case, actually the PIBG team want to assist them in painting the building. Unfortunately, miscommunication lah, I believe. I'm not blaming the PIBG. Miscommunication take place. So they did not come to help. So it leaves 7 students without experience. Without experience, some of them without experience. I asked Balkis and Ija and Susan don't have experience in painting, of course lah. So, and also the school did not permit to do activity when there are students in the area. So the group only do the painting in the afternoon, 1 o'clock and above. Of course lah, tak boleh siap satu bangunan. Manalah boleh siap, sudahlah. Kepakaran tidak ada, peralatan kurang. Kemudian ada hujan lagi tu masa tu. So this is all what we call crisis. And during crisis, please remember, if you are the boss, please remember, if you are the leader, if you are the head, don't blame your staff. Don't blame your members. But you need to be courage enough, yeah, to fix the crisis with good strategies. The first thing you do when in crisis, you get your best person in line to discuss with you. Don't yet open the floor to everyone else because we need urgent, immediate solution. So what happened is Frankie called for Saddam and then discuss. Only then they tell everyone else in the group. So because if you open discussion with the many will give different solution. Very difficult. So we need to settle, we solve the crisis immediately. Find your right man first. Your right man. So and then if your right man provide good solution, then okay. If not, then I ask the others, for example. So that is how actually they manage the crisis. I did not intervene them during the time. Frankie, you all can ask Frankie. I only tell Frankie, you are the leader. This is my suggestion. It's up to you and your right person to solve the issues. Okay.